I'm going to present you something which is rigor mortis. Rigor mortis is a Latin word. In English, rigor means stiffness, and mortis means death. By translating, rigor mortis is the stiffness of death. But in few words, rigor mortis means when, let's take an example after 3 hours when someone is dead or killed. Rigor mortis occur after 3 hours and ends approximately about 24 to 36 hours. So, has anyone wished to study criminology? Because when I was young, I wished to study criminology because I was always asking myself how those people who work in FBI do to estimate the time at which someone has been killed. So, guess what? They use rigor mortis. You know that when someone dies, he immediately stops breathing and the heart stops beating, and some cells tissue like brain, nervous tissue, they immediately dies after 6 minutes. But there are some tissue like muscles which are able to produce energy by themselves. So those tissues, they don't die immediately. So when, let's take an example of someone who has been killed in a sitting position. So the death of muscle will be signaled by the rigor mortis. When that person has been killed in the sitting position, so the body will be frozen in that position. This means that the body is in rigor mortis. That's how those forensic pathologists, those who are in charge of estimating the time at which someone has been killed, they use the body temperature and the presence or absence of rigor mortis. Like, for example, when after 3 hours, when someone has been killed, you know that after 3 hours or less, rigor mortis is not present. So those pathologists we estimate that if the after 3 hours the body is still warm, muscles are still warm. So if the muscles are still warm and there is no presence of rigor mortis, they will estimate that that person has been killed after 3 hours or less. But after 3 hours, beyond 3 hours or 8 hours, like 15 hours, the body temperature, muscle temperature is the same as in the surrounding, and there is presence of rigor mortis. So those pathologists, we estimate that someone who has body temperature which is equal to that of the surrounding, like 25 degrees Celsius, and the position is stiffened is in rigor mortis, so they will estimate that the body has been killed like beyond 8 hours. So that's how those people who work in FBI use rigor mortis to detect the time